2 hours later from those first videos, look at those clouds. Perfect horizontal line all the way across. And these rain clouds, which were nowhere, are all existing now. So, to say that nature did that, that's impossible. Just those clouds right there show, and this is the exact sky I filmed at 5 o'clock. And you can see the consistent line there, the constant line of clouds which show a pressure. See the horizontal line there? Definitely HAARP. Manipulating the weather. Instead of getting along with people and working to cooperate and be honest with people, subverting society with all their money and their power and manipulating the weather. How sad. But that right there is not nature, not nature.